This tutorial will show you how to fade in video footage or footage in Capcut PC, online free video editing software.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Okay, so the first step to fade in footage, I have a couple video clips added here onto the timeline, as you guys can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to fade in all of these individual video clips. The first step is to click on your video clip, go to the beginning. There's a couple ways to do this, but this is kind of the only way that I found that is effective. So go to the top right hand screen as your video clip is selected or highlighted. See its color white. Now it's deselected and then it's selected. Go to the top right hand screen, click video, and then under transform and under scale, you want to scroll down until you see this option blend, and then click on blend. And under opacity, you can click this and slide this to the right, and notice that it will fade in, or if you fade it out, you slide it to the left and it decreases in brightness or opacity. Now let's say we want this to fade in, so it's at 0. You want to make sure to click this, which is the keyframe icon, this diamond icon, and now we have a keyframe. As you can see, it added it at the end of the clip, but we want this at the beginning. So I basically just click this and then I moved it to the beginning. Let's say we want to fade in right here, and then go back, click opacity and move it to the right to your desired preference. And as you can see, it added a keyframe. This is what we have. Now, if you want to copy this on multiple clips, so you want to click on the clip that you just basically faded in CapCut PC, right click and click copy attributes. And then now with your other video clips, you want to click, hold, drag your mouse so it selects all of the remaining video clips, right click and click paste attributes. Make sure everything is checked, but in this case we have the fade in and fade out, and then click paste. Now as you can see, it pasted all of the keyframes, and this is what we have, or should I say this is the before and this is the after.